Hey guys, Pinoy Toygi and Red 13, and we're back with another video.
We are looking at Ninjago Garmatron. Set number 70504, it's 328 pieces, and this is a really cool set. It's the final battle, as you can see, between Kozu, Zane, and the Garmatron.
Looking at the back, you're able to see what the Garmatron is able to do. It has weapons it can fire, it has a control panel, a jail cell, and a lot of stuff it can do. Even Zane has his ice spider that he gets to use to fight against the Garmatron. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what is inside. The blade belongs to me.
Feel the wrath of the Garmatron.
General Kozu, I've forgotten which lever goes forward.
Zane's ice spider also includes an ice shooter. Lord Garmadon's most fearsome soldier, General Kozu, has stolen the elemental ice blade and is trying to escape in the Garmatron, a tracked tire battle machine straight from the underworld. Chase after him with Zane on the ice spider and fire the ice shooter. Dodge the Garmatron's hidden missile and get the elemental ice blade back without being locked up in Garmatron's prison. The Garmatron features a hidden missile, prison cell with space for a minifigure at the rear, control display, and cool rubber tracks.
Fire the missile. You won't get out of here, Zane.
My ice spider can take anything on, even the Garmatron.
Your time has come, Zane.
I don't think so. Yeah, yeah. Time to put you on ice. Well, there's the whole set, everybody. Please leave a comment letting us know what you thought, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to catch every episode of Minifigure Mania Daily.
Thank you for watching. This is Pinoy Toy Geek.
And this is Red 13, and we'll see you next time.